guardians and so many joint families are there. They are able to resolve this problem. आज क्या हो जाता है, तुरंत थोड़े दिन के बाद क्या हो जाता है, ब्याह भारी हो जाता है, and the people goes to chief judge. And कर्मंतिका, कर्म कहां सबसे ज्यादा होता है, इंडस्ट्रीज एंड फैक्ट्रीज में. कर्मंतिका, it is known as I said that head of the industries and factories, and दंडपाला head of the पुलिस. दंडपाला पुलिस वाले काफी ज्यादा अच्छा से डंडा भी लगाते हैं. यस, दंडपाला हेड ऑफ द पुलिस. एंड द सिटी पुलिस वर्ड फॉर. दुर्गपाला, दुर्ग मीन्स फोर्ट, दुर्ग मीन्स फोर्ट. आई सेड दैट हेड ऑफ द रॉयल फोर्ट. अन्नपाला, व्हाट आई सेड दैट हेड ऑफ द फूड ग्रेन्स. इजी है. एंड राजुकाज, राजा जब झुकेगा तो क्या करेगा, मेजरिंग द लैंड एंड ऑल. So Rajuka, what I said that officer is responsible for the land measurement and fixing its boundaries. So land measurement, it is in a Rajuka. And thereafter I said that Pradeshika. Yes. And then I said that head of the district administration. आप लोग किस किस देश में जाओगे, उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. सो आई सेड दैट सो आप लोग प्रदेश में जाओगे, प्रदेशिका के आप लोग क्या बनोगे, हेड ऑफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. यस, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. कॉज ऑफ द डिक्लाइन ऑफ मौर्यास, कॉज ऑफ द डिक्लाइन ऑफ मौर्यास, व्हाई दे हैव डिक्लाइन. थोड़ा सा बहुत सारा आइडिया आप लोगों को पहले से ही होगा. वन, इट इज इन धम्म विजय. व्हाट ही वाज अर्लियर, ही वाज कंसीडरिंग लाइक दैट आई हैव टू बिकम द व्हाट इनवर्स एंड देन वर्ल्ड का विजय करना है. दैट इज नॉन एज अ दिग्विजय. बट ही हैज ट्रांसफॉर्म हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द दिग्विजय टू धम्म विजय. धम्म, DHAMM, धम्म विजय, दिग्विजय टू. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द कॉज. एंड इट हैज, आई सेड दैट उनके पावर को डिक्रीज भी कर दिया. अच्छा, यू टेल मी, अर्थशास्त्र में कौटिल्य हैज सेड दैट you can run the best government if you have a best revenue. You can't run the best government without the revenue. So it has to be what? And then he has the largest, what is an army, so many provinces they have, and then there is lots of, what is departments. At the central level, at the provincial level. They need large amount of finance. They need large amount of, और जहां पे फाइनेंस में दिक्कत हुआ क्या होगा, that is also one of the cause of what, fall of. I said that weak successor of, पहला तो आप लोग जान ही रहे हैं, बताते आ रहे हैं, weak successor. Who is the weak successor? They become what is, some लोग धम्म के पीछे लगे हुए हैं. Then nobody is. The last one is which one? Brihadartha. The weak successor of Asoka. Hari Prasad Shastri contend the revolt of Pushyamitra Shunga was the result of Brahminical reaction against the pro-Buddhist policy of Asoka and pro-Jaina policies of his सक्सेसर्स. सब लोग क्या कर रहे थे, दे ट्राई टू व्हाट इज एन बुद्धिज्म एंड ऑल. तो उसके वजह से द पुष्यमित्र शुंगा बोले काम ही खत्म करो. एंड देन मिलिटेंट ब्राह्मणिकल रिएक्शंस टू अशोकास रिलीजियस पॉलिसी. अशोका क्या कर रहे थे, ओनली रिलीजियस पॉलिसी, एंड द ब्राह्मणिकल एस्पेक्ट्स आर व्हाट इज अंडर द प्रेशर. दैट इज आल्सो दैट व्हिच वाज क्लोजर टू व्हाट इज बुद्धिज्म. तो वो ब्राह्मणिकल उसके लिए क्या थे, अगेंस्ट. अशोका स्पेसिफिक पॉलिसी एमिंग एट धम्म विजय इंस्टेड ऑफ Digvijay. That is again, it has made that gone away. Financial crisis owing to the enormous expenditure on the army and large bureaucracy. Yes, financial crisis is जब बहुत सारा बड़ा bureaucracy है and the large army you have, then you cannot sustain without the best finance. And highly centralized character of Mauryan government. चाहे वो highly हो चाहे decentralized हो, problem तो आना ही आना होता है when there is a problem of finance. Understood? So I say. And then several things that we have seen. आप विदिशा में यक्ष देखेंगे, मथुरा में यक्ष देखेंगे, and I said that female that is in a क्या पे दीदारगंज में female with the, what is the chori bearer that is in the Patna nearby. These several things that we have seen earlier also. There is also pillars we have seen. Where the pillars we have seen, so many pillars we have seen. Yes, हम लोगों ने कहाँ पे देखा था, लौरिया अरेराज, लौरिया in the Bihar, लौरिया अरेराज, लौरिया नंदनगढ़, then रामपुरवा, लुम्बिनी. And then I said that यहाँ पे पटना में पटना के पास से इधर वेस्ट चंपारण की तरफ जाएंगे, चंपारण जहाँ पे बिहार में, देयर इज एन लौरिया अरेराज, लौरिया नंदनगढ़, रामपुरवा, एंड देयर इज एन लुम्बिनी, देन मेरठ, देन दिल्ली टोपरा, एंड देन संकिसा, and then I said the Sarnath, and then we have I said that Dholi. These are the famous, I said that is, what is in a pillars. And then Lauria Ariraj and Lauria Nandangarh I discussed is famous for single loin. And then I said that Rampurva, Ram ji किस पे बैठे हुए हैं? बुल पर, that we have discussed and all. Yes or not? So I said that these are the several pillars. Yes or not? Pillars, stupa, chaitya, vihara. अभी जैसे हमने चैत्यास विहारास के बारे में बताया, चैत्यास कहां पे बताया? टेल मी. एंड देन स्तूपा यदि मैं बात करूंगा तो दिस इज अबाउट व्हाट? पिलर्स. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, क्योंकि ये सारे जो पार्ट्स हैं, इट इज एन आर्ट एंड कल्चर एंड ऑल. इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट स्तूपास के चैत्यास एंड विहारा मैंने क्या बोला? नासिक, पीतलखोरा, जुन्नार, एंड देन सभी पुणे में ही है. पुणे में ही जुन्नार, भाजा, कार्ले, कोंडाना. और यदि हम जुन्नार भी रिमूव एंड कोंडाना भी रिमूव और नासिक के साथ पीतलकोरा में अजंता ऐड कर दे, विहारास. इट इज क्लियर. एंड देन पिलर्स, सो मेनी वी हैव सीन. यस, स्तूपास वी हैव सीन सो मेनी. अंडरस्टूड? सो मेनी थिंग्स. एंड कुम्हारहार, it is in a kind of palace. It is in a kind of palace. And then has been what is in a 80 pillar hall, the famous it has been. And we have seen also there is an in their life, if you remember, rock cut caves, and which is in a, I said which are Barabar and Nagarjuna. 4 caves of Barabar caves. If you remember Loma Rishi, yes, Loma Rishi, Sudama, Karan Chopper, Vishwa Jhopdi. And then famous one was Loma Rishi. And there is a Nagarjuna where there are 3 caves. So this is the caves are also there. During it has been formed all during the Gupta. Sorry, Guptas कह रहा हूँ. किसके? Mauryas. So many things has been done during the Mauryas. Yes or not? So I said that इसको इतने चीजों को हम लोग छोटे से में केवल. And then he talked about that Mauryas and Buddha itself said that I will make how many? 84,000 stupas. How many stupas? In the throughout the India. So, और यहाँ पे सारनाथ पे आपने देखा था, मैंने बताया था कि there 4 lines and the Sarnath pillars. 4 lines at the Sarnath pillars. Understood? And there is a near below इसके क्या था? Abacus. And there is an inverted lotus and all. और वही हमारा आज का डेट में क्या बना हुआ है? धर्मचक्र प्रवर्तन. It is also in our emblem. Pillars. And then finest example of Sarnath lines. And supported by Dharmachakra, animals figures of Maurya, what is in a period of elephant at Dholi, and Sankisa and Dholi पे क्या था pillars पे? Elephant. Yes, याद है हमने बोला संग किस किए किसको? सब लोग संग में बैठकर किसको किस किया? एलिफेंट को किया. और साथ में धौली इन उड़ीसा. ये सारी चीजें आप लोग इसके कई गुना आप लोग जानते होंगे. And the age of the Maurya contributed significantly to the development of arts and including architecture, sculpture, engineering, polishing, etc. Chandragupta Maurya filled his capital and place at Patliputra. The wonderful palace was made up of wood, and then Ashoka further improved the wooden walls and the building capitals, and then 80-pillared hall at Kumarar. And it has been, I said that, reproduced the masterpiece of the Mauryan sculptor, and each pillar is made up of single piece of sandstone. उसमें थोड़ी सैंडस्टोन लगाया गया था, लेकिन उसके ऊपर में क्या था? वुड. व्हाट इज देयर? नीचे में क्या था? सैंडस्टोन. एंड ऊपर में क्या था? यस टेल मी. वुड. एंड देयर आफ्टर इट हैज बीन सेड दैट कि पॉसिबली दिस पैलेस हैज बीन डिस्ट्रॉयड ड्यू टू द फायर. ड्यू टू फायर. अशोका फिल्ड अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्तूपा, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट इज नेम, कुम्हारार कहां पे? नियर बाई पटना. नियर बाई पटना. कुम्हारार, KUMRAHR. And then Ashoka filled a large number of stupas. According to Buddhist tradition, Ashoka filled how many? As good as this much stupa. And the structures were solid and domic and made up of rocks or bricks. पहले जो अशोका ने बनाया वो किसका बनाया था? रॉक्स का बनाया था या ब्रिक्स का? ब्रिक्स का. Sunga started making it of what? Rocks. And further stone में convert होने लगा. Remember that यहाँ पे rocks को हटा लेंगे. It is, I said that, bricks. If we're talking about only for Mauryas, if I'm talking about only for Mauryas, the Maurya has made bricks. They have made the stupas made up of what? Bricks. The art or sculpture rock cutting also reached its zenith during the Ashoka times. And the 7 rock cut sanctuaries are lying 25 miles near Gaya, and then Bihar, and the 4 at the Barabar Hills. That is, which are the famous Barabar Hills? Loma Resi, Sudama, Karan Chopper, and Vish Jhopri. Understood? सारे बराबर हैं. सारे कैसे लोग हैं? कैसे लोग हैं? बराबर लोग हैं ना. पहला कौन है? लोमा, लामा जी. ये भी बड़े soft portion welfare. Another I said that Sudama, and another is in a Karan. और सभी विश्व में ही थे हमारे यहाँ. विश्व झोपड़ी. Sudama, what we have seen? Sorry, Loma Rishi, Sudama, Karan Chopper, and I said that Vishwa Jhopri. And we have done all these things, so many things that we have done in our art and culture. And then I said that thereafter 3 caves in the what? Nagarjun Hills. The caves are also fine examples of Maurya's art, and they were used in religious ceremonies and also assembly halls. Understood it? So many things that it has been there. So art and culture has been highly grown. Yes? नहीं क्या? Rock cutting caves reached its zenith. Mauryas and Guptas. And I said that और जैना से related rock cutting caves कहाँ पे? खांडगिरी and उदयगिरी in उड़ीसा and हाथी गुफा. जैना से related. और कल भी मैंने दिखाया था जैनिज्म से related. yes, यदि पिक्चर दिखाया था आप लोगों को, देखा था आपने? I said जैनास का आपके नोट्स में ही है. It is I said that खांडगिरी, उदयगिरी, हाथी गुफा under the Kharvela king. I said Mauryas, the Greeks held the power in the Gandhara region until the death of Alexander 324. King Ashoka solidified north and central India region by bloody campaigns, and the latter converted to Buddhism. And then they have given the pillars of law. Pillars of law, उन्होंने famous 14 pillars that they have given with inscription of propaganda and Buddhist teaching. So कहीं पे every kind of moral teaching is a Buddhist teaching, and they have given those Buddhist teaching on the what? Rock, 14 rocks. And then Ashoka's column at Sarnath क्या बताता है? First sermon. And then adorned lions symbolizing the spreading of Buddha's teaching. Lion represents Sakya Muni's clan. Sakya's clan. And will क्या symbolize करता है? Turning of the will of the law, that is in Dharma Chakra. Will represents Dharma Chakra. And elephants, and there are also some animals are there. Which are the 4 animals in the abacus? Bull, horse, elephant, and lions. And in between, what are the 4 wheels? Dharma Chakra. It is in the abacus. And that you can be able to see, here it is. यहाँ पे धर्म चक्र है, there is an elephant, there is a galloping horse, and there will be, I said that bulls, and then all. And ये क्या है? Inverted lotus, उल्टा lotus, and above there is a one pillar. और ये कहाँ का है? सारनाथ. और ये रामपुरवा. राम जी किस पे बैठे थे? बुल पे बैठे हुए थे. So the bull is the what? Crowning animal of pillars. रामपुरवा जो आप लोग बताया था, रामपुरवा में there is a bull capital. And then this is in a Sanchi stupa. Only the stupa. There are then 3 stupas at Sanchi, and all have gates. All have, and that is I said that these gates are known as Torana. These gates are known as, जो already I have said in the I talked about. और दूसरी जगह stupas पे ये नहीं है. That is not there Toranas. Only where it is I said that Sanchi stupa in the Raisen district. Understood it? And 3 and all. इसमें से हम लोगों ने north के लिए किसके लिए बताया था? North stupa it is for the Jataka, and then sorry, north Tarana is for the Jataka, south is for the Satkarni. Satvahana's king has Satkarni has given the influence, and also there is a Jataka means what? Jataka means stories of Buddhas of earlier life of Buddhas. तो उन्होंने different kind of animals, किसी में भी he has got the birth, that life story is there in the Jataka. In which gate? North. And then south gate it is, I said that south gate क्या था? सतकर्णी के बारे में था. And then other gates and all. और यहाँ पे gates पे देखोगे तो there will be some animals are there. There will be what? some animals, जैसे यहाँ पे देखेंगे there is a lions, able to locate 4 lions, the 4 elephants, 4 horse on which the man is riding, and then 4 dwarfs, if you remember. Clear? क्या क्या था 4 on the Toranas? Horse पे क्या था? A person riding on the horse, 4 elephants, 4 lions, and 4 dwarfs, and there is 3 always will be there above, and this structure is full of yakshani and all. इसमें किसका पिक्चर बना हुआ था? यक्षणी. एंड इसके बाद ऊपर जाएंगे तो ये जो बना हुआ है यहाँ से छोटे छोटे क्या निकले हुए हैं? देयर इज एन, आई सेड दैट, एलिफेंट. सो इट इज एन कंप्लीटली स्क्वायर मेड pillars. This Torana is made up of which pillar? Square made pillars. Understood it? And then stupa is solid memorial. What is in a mound? होता था जिसके बारे में जो अभी मैंने बताया, सारे is there. And then if we'll talk about chhatras, यहाँ पे 3 chhatras are there. What is there? और ये 3 chhatras किसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? बुद्धा, धम्मा, संघा. बुद्धा, धम्मा, Sangha. What they are representing? Buddha means enlightenment. Dhamma means there is a principles, doctrine, teaching, and then Sangha means yes, so followers. And this is a Harmika. And इसको क्या बोलते थे? Harmika. There is a gate that is surrounding these 3 chatras, and that is known as what? Abode of God. It is a God. What is a living place? And this is known as a Vedika. And Vedika is considered as this is an internal world and external world. Internal world is pure, external world is impure. Clear? So Vedikas are there and Toranas. Clear है? And there is a Dhamma, और ये एक लकड़ी पे रहता था, लकड़ी का बनाया जाता था, इसको बोलते थे यष्टि. YASHTI. Clear? So yष्टि has how many disc? Dhamma, Sangha. And Buddha means enlightenment. Dhamma means doctrines. And the Sangha means followers, monks and all. और ये क्या है? What is this? Harmika. And Harmika means abode of the God. And this is Vedika. And Vedika says that external world, internal world. Internal world is impure and external world is impure. ये सारी चीजें हैं. So stupa is a representation of image of Buddha. Image of Buddha. स्तूपा में तो कोई इमेज ही नहीं है. It is a what? Hinayana. It is what? And Asoka was the follower of Hinayana. और इसी समय तो स्तूपा is not the representation of. वो तो महायानास ने सारे सब जगह जो बना है, that is images. That is which is school? Sculpture. That is, it is known as architecture. And जब human figure है दूसरे बनाते, that becomes sculpture. And then Gandhara, then Mathura, and then Amravati. These are the different gates. It is in a Yaksh or Yakshini. Yaksh was, it is in Yakshini,